Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you all about this awesome Monoprice USB extension. This is the 15 meter, so as you can see, it's pretty long and it works great, and it basically does what it says. It's an extension, so it's great if you want to have a device connected to your laptop, but that device is pretty far away. Whatever device you have connected to this extension, there's no lag or there's no delay in the connection. It works just as if you had a direct connection to your laptop. I really like the material of how the cable is made. It's very sturdy, it's very strong. You can even bend it a little bit and you won't have any problems with it. So if you're looking for a USB extension for a device that's going to be far from the laptop, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.